Guys, back with another video. Hope everyone's well. This one's going to be talking about trends and trend lines. Okay, I'm just going to talk about just what trend lines are and stuff like that. 2 slides of text and then all charts after. So uptrends and downtrends are terms used in trading for when a stock is moving in either a higher direction or a lower direction. We use trend lines as an indicator which helps you identify and confirm what direction a stock is trending. The trend is your friend. How to identify trend and draw a trend line. The easiest way to identify a trend is from its higher highs, higher lows, or either its lower highs, lower lows. The correct way to draw a trend line is to draw a line that connects with all significant pivot points on a stock. Okay, so this is a downtrend, guys. All right, so as you heard me in the last slide, I said all significant pivot points that it should connect to your line. These are the pivot points, what they should connect with. Going down, they should connect to each one that stands out. That one, and that one. As you can see, a downtrend is lower highs, so each high is getting lower. Each high is getting lower. And then lower lows, so that's a low of the pivot, and each one is getting lower each time. Yeah, so you need at least 2 lower highs and at least 2 lower lows for it to become a downtrend. So we have one lower high there, another lower high there, because look, it's lower than the first high, so that's why it's called a lower high, because it's lower than the first high. And then you have the lower lows, which is here, here, and here, and here. So these lows are lower than the last low, so that's why they're called lower lows. So that's one chart for an example. Here's another downtrend chart. So we have the pivot points, the highest pivot points, you see, connecting down, and then we have the lower highs and then the lower lows. Lower low, lower low, lower low, lower low, lower low. As you can see, the trend is broken here. Look, it broke here, so once it stopped being a downtrend, and it's broken here now because it's broke the trend line. That's the trend line. This is a trend line that we've drawn that connects with all the pivots, and then it's actually been broken now. So now we know we could be changing direction. All right, so this is an uptrend now. These are uptrends. Okay, so we're connecting the trend line with all the pivot points at the bottom. With the uptrends, we connect the line with the pivot points from the bottom with the uptrend. With the downtrend, then you're connecting the line with the pivot points from the top. All right, so with an uptrend as well, it slightly changes. It wants to be higher highs and higher lows. So there's one high here, there's another high here. Oh, this is a high as well, and then even that's a high, and that's a high. Sorry about that. And then you have the higher lows, which is there's a low there, then you have a higher low, another higher low, a low that's higher than the last low, and then another higher low and another higher low. So that's a uptrend. Okay, there's another uptrend. This is another uptrend. So we have the lower lows, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we have the higher highs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so look, this uptrend here has been broken. This is a clear picture of an uptrend being broken. Look, we're on the way up on the uptrend, and then the trend line that you've drawn has been broken, and then now we're going down into a downtrend. You see the lower highs coming in now, so the highs are getting lower each time, and then the lower lows. Lower low, lower low, lower low, lower low. So that's the uptrend broken, shifting into a downtrend. 3 important trend tips. Draw the trend line on the correct chart. Always draw your trend lines on the time frame that you are entering and executing a trade. For example, if you want to enter the trade on a 2-minute chart and you're using a trend line as one of your indicators, make sure it's drawn on the 2 minutes chart. So to break that down again, if you're trading and you take, for example, you take your trades in a 5-minute chart, you have to draw the trend line on the 5-minute chart to confirm the trend. And also tip 2, confirm the trend. If you are trying to identify an uptrend, you are looking for at least 2 higher highs and at least 2 higher lows, and vice versa on downtrends. So higher highs and higher lows equals uptrend, and lower highs and lower lows equals downtrends. Tip 3, the trend is your friend. About 85 to 90% the trend of a stock will be going in the same direction of the overall market trend. Do not trade against the market. The only time acceptable trading a stock in a different direction from the market is if it has RS or RW. RS means relative strength and RW means relative weakness. That's a whole nother lesson and lecture I'm going to teach later on down the line. But this is like the holy grail. Like, the RS and RW is one of the most potent signs for you to use to become a better trader. Basically, I basically use RS and RW for like most of my trades to like confirm everything for me. But yeah, that's it, guys. Just a quick video on trend lines, some tips as well. Yeah, I'll be doing these videos teaching beginner strategies and then like just beginner tips and stuff like that, and I'll get more advanced along the way down and stuff like that. So yeah, just like, subscribe. Make sure you subscribe if you want to learn more, because I'll be coming with good videos with great tips, and yeah, it will definitely make your trading better and your trading easier for yourself. All right, guys, like and subscribe. Thank you.